So if you've been having a hard time writing those descriptions on your YouTube channel and you're trying to stand out on YouTube, then definitely stay tuned for this video. Let's get into it. My name is Chauntel and I help mom influencers do more of what they love by creating a brand that matters. So excited today to talk about standing out on YouTube and doing it with your descriptions. There's so many different pieces of the pie. There's so many elements, okay, to really standing out on YouTube. And one of them is making sure that those descriptions are written well. The reason that you need your descriptions to be written well is so that people can actually find you, so that you can be more discoverable. If you're just starting out on YouTube or you've been having a hard time climbing up those rankings and you want some more help, I have a free mini course, okay? It's the top 5 mistakes that new YouTubers make. I put it in the link in the description box below, and you definitely want to take advantage of that because I share with you 5 of the top things that I did wrong on this platform, and I've been on here for 10 years, so I know, believe me. I've done it all wrong, and yeah, you definitely want to know what those mistakes are. I was able to rectify them, and I give you a little bit of details about how you can do that as well. So I'm excited today to talk about descriptions because you may not realize it, but people, when they first see your video, if it is ranking or, you know, if they're able to come across it on their feed for some reason, the first thing that they will see is your thumbnail, okay, and your video description. However, the algorithm looks at those descriptions and they will pair your description with the person that is looking for the content that you have. And if you have not made it where the algorithm understands what your video is about, it's never going to get pushed out to the right people. Not only that, but when you write a great description or a description that is going to, you know, effectively put your video out to the right people, it will help you to be more discoverable and you will expand your reach, which will eventually help you to get the views and the subscribers that you want. When we're talking about descriptions, the very first 2 lines are what's going to matter the most, because that is going to help you rank your videos, okay? So whatever you're titling your video, whatever you're tagging your video, whatever you're putting out on that thumbnail, that description should be representative of what you've already got, you know, in the tags, in the title. And if you can do that effectively, okay, you're going to help your videos to rank. What does that mean? It's going to help when people type in, you know, something into search. You want your video to come up. And when your videos start to show up, when people are typing things into search, then your videos start ranking. So the very first 2 lines of the description are going to make a huge difference in if people will find your videos or if they will not. And if you include your title in your description, and if you include your tags in your description, then it's going to help you to rank higher. It's going to help you be more discoverable. The challenge is that you have to write it where it appears and it comes out naturally, okay, in a conversational form. And you want to do so that it doesn't just seem like you're keyword stuffing where you're just putting all these keywords in there. You want it to come across naturally, just as if someone was reading a story, reading a book. You know, you're bringing them in, you're hooking them into what you're getting ready to talk about. And that's what you want to focus on when you're writing those descriptions. And if you're having a difficult time with this, you should definitely check out other people in your niche who are also writing descriptions. If they're ranking, see what they're doing and how they're doing it. And I definitely recommend TubeBuddy to help you to kind of figuring out those tags, you know, figuring out what to title your video, because you'll just take that information and go ahead and drop it into the description in those first 2 lines. And then, you know, you just tell people what can they expect in your video, the same way that you introduce your video. Some people read them. Most people don't read the descriptions, but like I said, the algorithm does. And if you can help the algorithm to understand what your video is about in those descriptions, then it's really gonna help you to stand out on YouTube. All right, we'll come back and we'll talk a little bit about titles and tags. If that's something that you guys are interested in, definitely leave comments in the comment section below. If you've been wondering where I've been, I have been working on my YouTube master course, which I am done with. You guys are going to be getting more information about that really soon. But if you're interested in learning from the beginning, you know, how to build a YouTube brand that matters, then definitely check out my YouTube master course. I talk about this specific things and also ranking your videos on YouTube. You don't want to miss out on this awesome training. It's a 6-week course. Link is in the description box below. Thank you guys so much for watching. watching. I'll see you on the next one. If you haven't subscribed, don't forget to do so. And you guys are awesome. Hugs and kisses.